Alright, we got our eBay break, 2019 Prime Racing Box Break 106 from eBay. Box Break 106 from eBay. So good luck, everybody. What was that? Like a little card holder stand fell. We'll get this out of the way and then I'll get my live sell ready to go. It might be later than what I want it to be. Alright, first up we got Kyle Larson, 4 of 5. Kyle Larson, 4 of 5. Next, William Byron, quad, sheet metal, 50 of 50. William Byron. Byron going up to Kyle. Next, we got Eric Almirola, 39 of 50. Going to George. Next, we got 25 of 50. 25 of 50. Matt Tiff, dual fire suit. Going to George. Next, we got a pretty cool 101. So out of the two boxes of 19 Prime we got the other day, we had a nice patch in both of them, because this is the other box. Brad K, 101 NASCAR patch, and I don't know what that other thing is. Brad K's owner's going to Mike. Going to Mike. Mike hitting that 101 patch right there. Congratulations on that. Next, we got Ross Chastain Redemption. Shadowbox card number. Then a Larson, 35 of 42. Die cut auto. And last but not least, a Bill Elliott, 18 of 25 signatures. Bill Elliott. Elliott going to George. Going to George. And that'll be our eBay break. Steven says it's, I don't even know how to say that word. Mosaic. Sponsor. Mosaic, I don't know. Never had to say that word till now. So that's what that other piece of was on that patch. We got a live sale coming up. I'm going to cut the video and get that ready. I might be later than 7 o'clock. Most likely will be. So in between 7:15 and 7:30, we will go live for our live sale. So appreciate you all. That's our eBay break. There's two other ones up. So if you want to try to get your spot, another try. There is some more eBay storm. I said storms. The other phone's giving me storm warnings. So we do have storms rolling in tonight, but our card sale should be done by the time they get here. So we're going to try to get the sale in before the storms. So that's our eBay break, and I'll be back on live for our live sale within 30 minutes. So thank you all.